God awful noise.
You have 6 of them in there?
8 50 millimeters.
Just when everybody thought you were done.
Here it comes to bomb the aliens and war the world.
Yeah.
That metal, simulated metal stuff?
No. That stuff's really expensive. No, this is just a silver ultra coat. Tried to, use something to make it a little lighter weight. It'll be fun bringing this one down.
Swirly.
Yeah, very. I think I'm going to make a few
crosswind from your back right now.
Few gear passes. Get the feel of the approach. You gotta watch that light pole.
I was watching for you.
Good. Thank you.
Gary, don't forget the poles. You see people catch the poles, I bet.
Oh yeah. Wind's calming.
Good.
You'll be right down the runway when you get here. Mighty fine. You're looking really good. That's a good touchdown. For a short couple, YB-49, that's good.
Yeah. I got brakes on, but they don't do much. Thanks. Alrighty. He's got experience.
Is that the first time she's flown?
No, but not many. Maybe 10 times, I think.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if one of the retracts took a beating. You never know. I'm always tempted to land it with the brakes on, As soon as it'll touch down, it'll keep the nose down, keep it from bunny hopping. But it'd probably rip the gear off if it did that.
Thank you for flying both of them. I appreciate it.
Yeah, that was awesome.
You're welcome. Glad I had the opportunity.
I like your landing lights too.
Yeah, the lights really make a difference. Just gives you that added assurance on approach, that you got the wings level.
What was that little